Hello everyone, hello judges. So I'm excited to present IELTS Achiever, an AI powered platform that will be revolutionizing how students prepare for IELTS exam. With over 4 million tests taken every year, there's a critical gap in providing a truly authentic, comprehensive mock test experience. That's exactly what IELTS Achiever provides over here. So our platform delivers dynamic AI generated tests to the user. The tests are based on the user's criteria, users' preferences, users' current level, and all the stuff. So we have tests like listening, speaking, reading, writing, out of which speaking is something that will be coming soon. We are working on it. We are working to integrate Tavis AI avatar, so it would feel like you are actually talking to someone during your IELTS speaking exam, right? So excuse me a little bit. I have a cough right now. So what makes us unique is our integration with 11 labs, and we have a integration with AI like Grok, which is very quick, right? So we use 11 labs to create audios for listening tests and stuff, right? We we also have graphs in writing exams. So enough of giving a speech. I'll just walk you through my landing page demo for now. Okay. So let's start with the landing page right now. So we have the theme that creates a sense of trust for the user. Okay. So going down, we have small things that what makes us unique, and what does we do. So these are the steps that you need to follow. You need to create an account. You need to complete the onboarding, practice daily, and obviously, if you have if you have will to go through the exams and pass it, you'll achieve the success later on. So that's the trust factors over here, FAQs over here, and the footer. So let's start with creating account for now. So I'll click on sign up, and right now it's free uh, because we have not implemented any kind of uh, payment services for now, but it is in plan, and we plan to keep it generously free. So I'll create a temporary mail account for now. Let's do Sumit with just putting password over here. By the way, we have also kept security of strength, having a good password, so it should be not a weak password. So as we create account, we will be you'll be prompted to complete your onboarding. So we can start with the onboarding now. So I'll just type my name, so we'll go ahead. I'll keep my age, anything for now. I'll select the country, that is India. So you'll be asked which type of IELTS exam you are going to apply for. It could be academic or general. So I'll choose academic for now. My level, my target score, my planned date, and learning goals and study schedules. So we'll be sending you, we'll be sending students notifications based on their study schedules. So as soon as you complete your onboarding, you will be taken to the dashboard. So the dashboard have your current band, your test taken improvements, and daily streaks. So the current bands will be calculated once you have more than 2 mock tests given. Improvements is again the same thing, because it compares with all the other mock tests that you have given. Test taken is total number of tests you have taken. Now you can either take complete test, or you can create a small module, like you can take a listening test, reading test, writing test, and stuff like that. All right. So now let's start with the mock test. I won't be creating the whole test, because it would take around 3 hours or 2 hours to complete the test. So I'll just give you an overview. So in the listening test, we have kept like a test audio compulsory. So it makes the user aware that their audio is working or not, and we have a progress here. Okay. In case this is interrupting you in between, you can just shut this down and see your progress later. So let's just start with the test. So as soon as the 30 seconds will hit, you'll the audio will be played, and remember, this audio will be played only once. All right. So you have to listen to it very very carefully, and based on that you have to answer the questions. There will be total of 4 audios, which is similar to what IELTS does. This IELTS mock test is very very similar to what actually there it is in the IELTS exam. All right. So the audio is.
Hi, I want to book a 7-night stay in Queenstown for my family of 5.
When would you like to travel? Do you need any specific amenities like a spa or pool?
We're traveling in March. Our daughter has asthma, so a non-smoking room is... Hi, I want to book a 7-night stay in Queenstown for my family of 5. Hi, I want to book a 7-night stay in Queen... Hi, I want to book...
As soon as you go to next task, as you can see, your progress will be updated. Alright, we click on here, and the reading tasks usually have 3 sections in the academic IELTS. So you have to go through the questionnaire, and based on that you have to answer it. Alright, again, this submit test is only for the purpose of mock interview. We have also mentioned that in real IELTS exam, early submission is not allowed. Even if you try to submit, we give a warning that you have not answered this many questions, and this many questions are still remaining. Alright, and again here the same warning is here. So let's just answer a few. Let's go forward. And this is writing test. We give clear informations what to do, what not to do, right? So it helps user to get prepared for this exam in the mock as well as the real exam. So I'll just use a dummy text to fill this area, because you have to write based on the graph basically. There will be 2 tasks. We also mentioned clearly that which task carries how much of score weightage. The score weightage of the task 2 is 66.7, and the score weight for the task 1 is 33.3. As soon as you do submit test, you will be taken to this report being generated section, where your reports are being generated in the background. As you can see, my report is being generated. Listening, reading, writing, and all these reports are over here. Okay, and now I'll go back to my home page, and I'll just what I'll do is I'll log into my another account, which has already given like a few tests with a good score. Alright, so let's log in. So I have 2 tests over here. One is full mock test which I have given, one is listening test. I'll click on review over here, which will give me overview of my whole listening test. It will give you all the feedback, performances, analysis, and what you have done, which part you have excelled, and how many questions you have answered correctly, how many questions you have answered wrong. Alright, let's go to full mock test. So again, the similar interface. Alright, you can see the listening part over here. Okay, you can do reading, writing, and stuff like that. So you also have your coherence and lexical grammar, lexical resources, task achievement response, and everything, all the assessment criteria placed over here. And again, when you have multiple tests over here, for example, listening test, writing test, reading test, all this will have their particular information showed to you, that which on which part you are doing good and which part you are doing bad. This complete application was created using Bolt. As you can see, we have a mark over here, built with Bolt. Alright, this is my Bolt page which I have built. Coming to the tech stack, the complete UI was created using white on top of white with React, and the backend is on Convex.js to keep everything very real time. And for the front end, 100% of the time I have used Bolt. In backend, I had to code a few things in order to get it going. I have deployed it on Netlify, and this is my domain, which you can actually access right now. The challenge that I have currently participating is a hosting challenge, domain challenge, and 11 lab challenge, because we use 11 labs in our listening. So during listening test, the audios are generated that you hear are created using 11 labs. Now the problem we faced using 11 labs initially was, initially we saw that 11 labs now has a multi-speaker thing available. But I mean, and the V3 model in 11 labs supports multi-speaker thing. But later we figured out that it is not available for the public usage as of now. So we had to do a little this and that, and ultimately we were able to create the multi-speaker audio experience for the IELTS listening test. So that's it. This is my app. Please do give the feedback, and I would love to see how people use it. Thank you so much. Bye.